Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon like this. The icon will change the color to purple, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can swipe up on the screen to close the quick panel. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon. The icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and then swipe up on the screen to go back to a watch face. You can also enable and disable the modes through the settings, and you have more options there. So let's open the settings by swiping up on the screen to open the menu, then scrolling down, tapping on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and find the option called preferences and tap on it, and here select Do Not Disturb mode option, the first one. And right here we have Do Not Disturb mode option. If you tap on it, you can enable and disable the mode by tapping on the switch. But you can also tap on Auto Enable option, and here you have options like Manual, Scheduled, and Smart DND. If you select Manual, you need to turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode yourself manually, but you can also select Scheduled, and this allows you to make a schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode, so it will turn on automatically at certain time and turn off automatically at certain time. So let's tap on Scheduled. It will open this menu. Here we can set the start time, so basically the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode turns on. Let's set it to 10:30, for example. Like that. Then tap Next. Then change the end time to 6:30. Like that, and tap on the check mark. So now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 10:30 p.m. and turning off automatically at 6:30 a.m. You can also enable the Smart DND option. This option turns on Do Not Disturb mode automatically if the band detects that you're sleeping, and I believe it will turn it off when you wake up. Yes, it detects when you fall asleep while wearing the band, and if you wake up, it will turn it off automatically. So select the option you like. Okay, and once you're done, you can go back to watch face by swiping right on the screen. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.